Hey folks, welcome to MarineMax Miami. We're located at 700 Northeast 79th Street. And today we're on board a brand new 2021 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. This particular boat is equipped with the triple outboard configuration, that's triple 250 horsepower Mercuries. And as you can see on the transom, it also has the optional sea deck, which really gives it a nice aesthetic feel, but it's also functional because it gives you a non-skid environment. The sea deck is continued throughout the whole cockpit, so you not only have it in the transom, but you also have it in the cockpit. This boat is fully loaded with every little option that is available from Sea Ray. So this is really the top end of this particular model. You'll see the teak table that is also removable that gives you more space here in the cockpit. You have the sure shade, which extends all the way back to cover the seating in the transom, which gives you wonderful shade for entertaining. And Sea Ray really outdid itself with this particular model. It's called a hybrid sport cruiser. So it gives you all the best of a cruiser boat with a cabin that sleeps four, but in the front it also gives you a bow that you can enjoy whether you're moving at high speed, cruising, or just laying out by the sandbars. And you can transition to that bow over by the port side, and you'll see that it's a very easy transition. Not like it used to be where you need to go outside the boat or go through the middle of the boat. Very safe and easy, so it's a great boat for a family. So if you follow me, you'll see that this particular one also has air conditioning, a full summer kitchen, grill, refrigerator. You can also have an adapter for that grill where it has a skillet top, so you can do a nice breakfast. So the concept was to move the kitchen out of the cabin and really more into the entertaining space. Moving forward, like I mentioned earlier, this particular boat has all the bells and whistles, the extra large Simrad 12-inch screens, Fusion stereo upgrade, tilt steering, electronic shifters, and your joystick controls. Joysticks really makes anyone feel like they have been on the water their whole life, and really makes driving this boat extremely easy. So let's take a look at the cabin. So as I mentioned before, you can sleep four comfortably on this boat. You do have a microwave and a fridge downstairs as well. The aft section can convert into a full twin bed, or you can leave it separated. You also have a TV back there. So you have TV in the V berth and in the aft room. Wonderful wet head here. You'll see the finishings at Sea Ray is really top notch with the glass vessel sink and the tile on the bathroom floor. Really high-end quality finishing. And moving on up to the bow section, you'll see how easy it is just to transition from the cockpit to the bow. And what a wonderful space this is out here for entertaining. You really have a great environment with your cup holders, lounge chairs, high grade stereo up here. So really a great space just to hang out when you're anchored at the sandbar, or if you're moving at a high speed, you can easily stay here as well. So this is the 2021 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer, powered with the triple Mercury Verado 250s. Come visit us. My name is Robert Borges. You can reach me at 305-586-7400. Thank you.